What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Just wanted to first say I'm so sorry for not posting in like a week and a half almost. I was super sick. I'm feeling better now, thankfully. So it was time to bring you guys a YouTube video. So for today's video, as you guys see by the title of the video, we are going to be running that big turbo ST again that we ran a couple months ago. So for those of you guys that don't know, I think it's a slightly bigger turbo than stock. There's a specific reason why I want to race him. I think that's the car that I raced the most time in this car. So I want to see if the tune really did make a difference. The reason I'm saying that is because the exhaust leak has gotten pretty bad since I tuned it. Because, you know. So racing this guy will be the perfect, like, test to see if the car's going faster or how much the car's going faster since the tune. So I'm excited to see that. I think the car is a little bit faster though. But I know once I fix that exhaust leak, that's when I'm going to see the difference. But yeah, I was supposed to do so many things last week. I was supposed to get the fuel pump done on the Z. Fix the exhaust leak on this car. I was supposed to do so many things, but literally I was sick almost all week. But thankfully we're back. Met up with the homie. I guess last time when we raced, his spark plugs were done, so he swapped those out. Didn't you get like a charge pipe or something like that?
I did, but it didn't even fit, so I ended up not even putting it on. I still have the stock charge pipes and everything.
Oh, okay.
My cousin ended up taking the charge pipes because
He
we
took
had the same car, so he gave me the tube that I needed, and he kept my charge pipes. Didn't fit with my setup.
What a scam.
Yeah, I got scammed.
Anyways, for those of you guys that don't know or haven't seen the other video, it's a Focus ST with I believe a slightly bigger turbo than stock. Got the hood dump, the wastegate dump out the hood. It shoots nice flames too. But like I said, this is the perfect car to see how much faster this car has gotten since the tune. I do have pretty nasty header leak, which is obviously making my car slower, but that's why I wanted to see how much faster the car is than it was before, even with the header leak, if that makes sense. So we're gonna cross the border into Mexico and see how it does. And I'll probably show them my popcorn map so you can see how loud it is. I'm not gonna lie, those were really good runs, especially the first one, bro. That shit was neck to neck. And I do remember before I was tuned on the freeway runs, he would top at me pretty nasty. So the car is definitely faster. But I could definitely tell that this car's a little sluggish because of the exhaust leak. I'm really gonna fix it this week, guys. I can't. Once I fix that, I know for a fact this car's gonna be moving. Shout out to me though for getting sick for a week. I'll give you the hit. I just showed him the pots, but I didn't record it.
Dude, that shit's fucking loud as fuck.
Bro.
Those guys at the gas station were like, oh shit.
Yeah, they said that.
They heard your shit, they're like, what the fuck? They're right there chilling. They're like, oh shit.
Drive by. But yeah, guys, there you guys have it. This thing moves, bro. It fucking moves. It does move. I'm telling him to go on 85, but he doesn't want to.
Dude. I'm like, let me check my coolant. Oh, we're good. We're good. I got a little coolant leak. I've had this coolant leak since I bought the car, and I still haven't fixed it, bro. You can see all the fucking coolant right there. The hose is right there. Like, you can see where the leak's coming from. It's just that hose right there, but like, since it's so small, the leak, I've been lazy to fix it, but it's just,
yeah, I can't.
me being lazy.
I can't blame you, bro. I haven't fixed so many problems on this car. But modding it instead, I tuned it. I've got like, I don't know how many sets of wheels. Alright guys, it's time to head home. Shout out to the homie once again for coming out. When you're bored waiting for the green light. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is why I have an exhaust leak. Addicting, bro. That's why, honestly, that's the main reason I haven't fixed it, besides me being sick, is that once I fix it, I'm not gonna be doing it as often, because I'm not trying to freaking fix exhaust leak every other week. So I'm just having my fun with the pops. So hear me out, guys. I was actually thinking, obviously not anytime soon, because I still gotta finish the Z, tune that car, do a couple other things to it that I want to do before even thinking about doing this. But I was thinking about swapping this car with the manual transmission. Just hear me out. How sick would it be if I were to swap this thing with the manual transmission from like a 370, right? Boost it, like a mid-mount turbo kit, something low key. Make like a good 600-700 wheel horsepower, and that'd be my daily, bro. Just imagine how sick that would be. Gapping pretty much everything you see on the street. Like, wouldn't that be so sick? Like, slammed. I'll slam it like on some, maybe like some Workmeisters or like some TEs. Wrap it. I feel like that would be sick. Like, that would be like the perfect daily. But then I would need a daily for the daily. Just imagine how sick that would be. A 4-door. Pretty much a 4-door version of my stock block Z with more power. Just imagine that. That'd be sick. All the cars that I beat in my Z when I was stock block, I'll be able to gap. And this, that'll be sick. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I do it? Like I said, not anytime soon, but in the future, I could definitely do it.